Good morning, students. Today I will discuss now shortcut method, how to solve integration by shortcut method. Yesterday I had already discussed integration by parts, few sums, and also few formula also there. There are few formulas, extra formulas are there. Today I will discuss now how to solve by shortcut method. Okay. See, suppose I am writing one integration. Suppose integration x square e to the power x dx. Okay, so all of you know how to solve this part. Just I am showing. After that I will show with shortcut method. Okay. Now, see. So this is first part is the second function. So write x square e to the power x dx minus d dx. X square e to the power x dx whole dx. Now x square into e to the power x minus, here integration twice x e to the power x dx. Now x square e to the power x minus, see here integration e to the power x dx, so this part only e to the power x. Okay, no need to give here constant because it is not completed. Okay. So write integration 2x only e to the power x dx, right? Again this part again by parts, to outside take x e to the power x dx minus again this part by parts again x e to the power x dx minus d dx x e to the power x dx whole dx. Okay. Now x square e to the power x minus 2 x e to the power x minus, this will be 1 d dx x1 and e to the power x e to the power x, so only e to the power x dx. Okay. Now x square e to the power x minus twice x e to the power x, both minus are plus e to the power x dx plus c. Okay. Now see, we are getting this answer. Suppose power, if power is suppose x to the 5, x to the 6, so short time taken. But in entrance, how to solve? The shortcut method. Okay, I am saying. Thus you see here, this answer is coming. The answer is here x square e to the power x minus 2x e to the power x plus 2 into e to the power x plus constant c. So this sum I am showing shortcut method. Look at here. Say, first you consider this function. First function e to the power x square. See, x square first you consider. So this is algebraic function and this is exponential function. So you take first. This is u and this is v. So read here. First you write x square is the right x square, and its derivative all of you know twice x. So write twice x. Again its derivative 2. Write 2. Now sign, first nothing is given, so here is plus, then change, so write minus, this is plus. First is plus, then minus, then plus, then minus, then plus, so like that you have to write. Okay, see here, this is x square, right? First x square, its derivative twice x, and twice x derivative 2. Now changing sign, this is plus, minus, right, plus. Now, so e to the power x dx, all of you know e to the power x, write e to the power x. Again its derivative, integration, e to the power integration e to the power x, so write e to the power x. Okay, again its integration e to the power x, write e to the power x plus c. See, so x square e to the power x minus 2x e to the power x c, here plus 2 e to the power x plus c. Okay, suppose I am writing here, suppose x to the power 4, x to the power 4, look at here. See, first x to the 4 is there, so you write x to the power 4, then 4x cubed, its derivative, this derivative 12x square, its derivative 24x, and 24 is derivative 24, So write 24 plus constant c. Okay. Alright, plus its derivative 0 is there. Okay. So now, wait. I am writing c. Suppose c here, right? 0 no need to write. Just write c. Now, e to the power x derivative e to the power x. Write e to the power x. You know, sign change. Here plus. So write minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay. Now, h to the power derivative minus 4x square here. So again e to the power derivative. E to the power x, sorry, integration. E to the power x. Again its integration. E to the power x. Its integration. E to the power x. E to the power x. So answer is h to the power 4 e to the power x minus 4x square e to the power x plus 12x square e to the power x minus 24x e to the power x plus 24 e to the power x plus c. This is the answer. Option is there in multiple choice. You know, option is given. The indirect answer. This is the very shortcut method. No need to do just first function, second function. You have 3 times integration. Okay. No need to write. Just directly remember. In for entrance. Oh, you can apply this type of also. You can apply board exam also. No problem with that. Okay. Also board exam this type of answer will not come up to x square or x cube is like that. Understood? Okay. Now, suppose x cube e to the power ax dx. This sum x cube e to the power ax dx. See here. First write x cube, then 3x square, then here 6x, here 6. This is plus sign, minus, plus, minus. Okay. And after that constant c, no problem. Now e to the power ax, you write e to the power ax by a. Again its integration here. E to the power ax by a, again a is there, so it will be a square. Again its integration e to the power ax by a cube. Again its integration, this part minus 6 there into e to the power ax by a to the power 4 plus constant c. Okay. Now you take common e to the power ax by a common. So x cube minus 3x square by a plus 6x by a square minus 6 by a cube. Okay, plus c. This is the answer. This is u, this is v. Same process you can do, same answer you get. But it is very shortcut method. Direct answer you can get. But you should remember first this function you write here. This function is there, right here x cube. Its derivative 3x square. 3x square derivative 6x. 6x derivative 6. Now sign nothing is a plus, then minus, plus, minus. Then its derivative e to the power ax integration e to the power ax by a. Again its integration e to the power ax by a square. Again its integration e to the power ax by a cube. Again its integration e to the power ax by a 4. Understood? Okay. Again similar also I am showing. Suppose e to the power x cube or x to the power 5 already e to the power 5x dx. X to the 5 e to the power 5x dx. Similarly, you write x to the 5 is there, so write 5x to the power 5, then 5x to the power 4, then 20x cube. Then here 60 x square 120x, right, 120. Here plus, then write minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus constant c is right. Okay. See, so e to the 5x, e to the 5x by 5. Again its integration, e to the power 5x by 25. Again its integration, this part, e to the power 5x by 125. Its integration here, e to the power 5x by this into 5, sorry, 6 to 5. Okay. Again its integration, e to the power 5x by this into 5, 3125. Again by 5, this e to the power 5x by 3125 into 5, it multiplied, plus c. Okay. So that you are getting answer. Say 1 by e to the 5x by 5 common. So x to the power 5 minus 5 x to the power 4 by 5. So cancel is there. So 1. Okay. 5 come. Here also plus 20 x cube by 25 minus 60 x square by, okay, 125 plus 120 x by, so here 5, so 6 to 5 minus 120 e to the, sorry, by 3125 plus c, answer. Okay. Now all have understood? Next, suppose integration x cube cos x dx. Okay, integration x cube cos x dx. So this sum we do similar way. X cube write first, then its derivative 3x square, if derivative 6x, then write 6, sign minus, this is plus, this is minus. Now cos x integration sin x, integration cos x sin x, right? Here write sin x, and its integration minus cos x, right? Its integration cos x, right, sin x there, so minus sin x. Its integration minus, both minus the plus cos x, plus right constant c. So right, x cube sin x plus 3x square cos x minus 6x sin x minus 6 cos x plus c. This is the answer. Okay. X cube. So first x square, right? Its derivative 3x square. Its derivative 6x. Its derivative 6. Now here nothing is there, plus is there. Then plus, first one plus, minus, plus, minus. Sign change. First one plus, then minus, then plus, then minus. Again. So x square sin x. So sin x derivative all of you know. Sorry, integration minus cos x. Minus cos x integration minus sin x, and minus sin x integration only cos x, right? See cos x, and okay, plus c, right? So x square sin x, both minus 3x square sin cos x, 6x minus sin x is there, so right, minus 6x sin x minus 6 cos x. Okay, few sums are there, you do like that. Okay. Similar way, suppose here x to the 4, x to the 5, x to the 6, x to the 7. Okay, so you do like that. This is shortcut method. Now suppose I am doing one sum. e to the power x, suppose sin x dx. Okay. So first function this is, you write this is second function. So let I. So e to the power x integration sin x dx minus d dx of e to the power x integration sin x dx whole of dx. Okay. So write e to the power x okay, minus e to the power x cos x minus e to the power x, this is minus cos x plus cos x dx, again by parts. So write x cos x, again one is first function, another is second function. So write plus e to the power x, again cos x dx minus d dx e to the power x integration cos x dx whole dx. Okay. Now minus e to the power x cos x plus e to the power x sin x minus again e to the power x sin x dx. See, this function and this original function is same. So we have considered first I, no? So I, here also I. So you take, this is I. So 2I, we can write. See, 2I equal to this part. So take e to the power x common, sin x minus cos x. So I equal to e to the power x minus bracket sin x minus cos x by 2 plus c. So answer is coming here, half e to the power x into sin x minus cos x plus c. Okay. Half into e to the power x, half into e to the power x sin x minus cos x plus c. Okay. Now this sum I am doing in shortcut process. See, direct answer for entrance, how to solve. See, look at here. What is given? So e to the power x sin x dx. Okay. So all of you remember here one thing. E to the power x, why making sound? E to the power x sin x dx. Okay. So all of you remember, I am writing one yesterday. I already discussed one formula is there. So all of you remember this formula. So writing e to the power ax suppose sin bx dx. So that is right. E to the power, this function is given ax by constant right a square plus b square. Coefficient a, here also coefficient b, x coefficient b. So write a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Okay. Into what function is given, you write ax here, this when write a, this function sin bx, right, and derivative, which function derivative sin bx, here b is given, right, b, so it will be cos bx, all of you know dx cos x minus sin x. So you write here, if sin is there, which function derivative is sin x. Okay, which function derivative is sin x. We know cos x derivative minus cos x. So minus cos x derivative only sin x. We know cos x derivative sin x. If minus cos x derivative only sin x. So sin x. Here sin x given. So here b cos bx plus constant c. Now you put here direct. Okay. So I am writing the answer. Here x e to the right, e to the power, I am writing the answer, e to the power x first right, e to the power x coefficient 1 and sin x, x coefficient 1 Okay, so 1 square plus 1 square. Okay, that is 1 plus 1 2, right? 2 into here x coefficient 1. This function at sin x, so 1 into sin x, no change. And sin x, which function derivative? Minus cos x, so right, minus cos x plus c. See, answer is coming. E over x by 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. Again, suppose, look at here. E to the power 3x sin 4x dx. Okay. So e to the power 3x first right by 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 9 plus 16 25, right, 25 of 3x coefficient 3, right, 3 divided sin 4x. This function 3 and this original function is given. Whose function derivative? 4 is there, so write 4 minus 4 cos 4x cos bx 4x plus c. Okay. Again, suppose e to the power 7x sin 4x dx. So write e to the power 7x by 49 plus 16. 49 plus 16, 65. So write 65. Here 7 is there, so 7 sin 4x, this 4 is coming outside, so minus 4 cos 4x plus c, direct answer. Okay. Similarly, suppose cos 4x, similar sum, so I am showing. Okay, suppose e to the power 4x cos 3x dx. So write e to the power 4x by 4 16, 3 square 9, 25. Here 4 cos 3x. Okay, 3 is coming 3 plus 3 sin 3x plus c. This derivative. Okay, and this type of in board exam, so big sum, so this type of sum will not give. Okay, you can apply this method, no problem, only for entrance. Okay, and this type of in board will not allow this type of sum. So simple, suppose e to the power x cos x, simple method. So power is mainly 1 or 2, it's like that. Okay, so but board exam you don't do like that. Okay, direct answer right. But previous sum you can do like that, no problem in board exam. But here, because 4 marks or 5 marks is there, just you write the only answer. It is only for MCQ, multiple choice question. Okay, it is only for multiple choice question. Okay. Now, suppose one sum I am giving integration, see, x 10x 6 square x dx. So here algebraic function, this is given function, so this is first constant consider. So write x integration 10x 6 square x dx minus integration d dx x into integration 10x 6 square x dx whole dx. Okay, now x 10x, all of you know its derivative is there, so 10x integration, 10x dx 6 square is there, so you put constant, this is z dz, z square by 2, z dz, z square by 2, so it will be 10 square x by 2 minus d dx x 1, all of you know this will be 10 square x by 2, half integration 10 square x dx. Now half x 10 square x minus half 10 square x, all of you know integration, no, wrong. So it will be 10x, first you consider 6 square x, so 10x will be 6 square x minus 1, right? So it will be sec square x minus 1 dx. Now half x tan square x minus half, so it will be tan x minus x plus constant c. This is the answer. Half x tan square x minus half tan x minus x plus c. Okay. 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 Now next time. Suppose integration tan inverse x dx. Okay, so inverse function here, tan inverse x. So tan inverse x into 1 dx you can write. So right, this is first function tan inverse x integration dx minus d dx tan inverse x integration dx whole dx. Okay, so write x tan inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square into x dx. So write x tan inverse x minus, this will equal, this is 1 plus x is equal to z. So 2x dx dz, so you can write a half 1 by z log of 1 plus x square plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Now so next sum I am showing. Suppose, wait, few interesting sums are there. Suppose e to the power x cube into x to the 5 dx, this sum. Okay, so right, you can write e to the power x cube into x to the 5, you can write x cube into x square dx. Okay, now consider x cube equal to z, then 3x square dx equal to dz. So x square dx 1/3 dz. Okay, 1/3 dz. Now 1/3 e to the power x cube, all of you know z, into this is z of dz. Now 1/3 z e to the power z dz. Okay. Now this you can do no problem by z first function and e to the power z second function, and you like it. Okay. Again, I'll do one sum, then we'll have to complete. And next class, I'll discuss next class. Okay. Standard integral. I'll discuss standard integral. And today I'll complete this part, and I'll do the homework. All of you practice at home. Okay. And every year, keep in mind, by integration by parts will come one sum in board exam. Keep in mind, in board exam, every year you will get one sum, and also 6 marks. Okay, 6 marks. Suppose e to the power x 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. This one. See, look at here, you can write e to the power x 1 by 1 plus cos x dx plus e to the power x into sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. You can write, okay? So e to the power x, this part you can write 2 cos square x by 2 plus e to the power x sin x. So you can write 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Okay? Now half outside take e to the power x. This is sec square x by 2, 1 by cos square x by 2. So 1 by cos square x by 2, sec square x by 2, okay? Dx plus half 1 cos cancel, 2 to cancel, e to the power x 10 x by 2, okay? Dx. So you take half common. So e to the power x integration, okay? We can write 10 x by 2. That's right. See, I am writing here 10 x by 2